everyone. I would like to lecture on design and analysis of algorithm. So let's see, the topic is dynamic programming. So let me remind you the key points on greedy method algorithm. First, previous we discussed greedy method. Greedy method are simple and straightforward method. These methods are used to solve the optimization problem. What is meant by optimization? A problem which give minimum result or maximum result. Minimum and maximum result. Let us see the example is, suppose A to B with constraint time is 12 minutes. A is reached the destination in between by bus, car, flight, train. The shortest distance is flight. So it is called greedy method. Let us discuss on dynamic programming. In dynamic programming, we will try to find all the possible solutions and pick up the best solutions. We are applying the principle on optimality. Optimality means in dynamic programming, every time we take the new decision. Suppose, let us see the example is Fibonacci series. Zero, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 5, 8 and so on. Next we will discuss on 0-1 knapsack problem. It is a set theory method problem. So M equal to 8. Here M is the capacity of the bag. And N equal to 4. These are the objects. So profit P equal to some values are 1, 2, 5, 6. Next weights are 2, 3, 4, 5. The formula is sum of I equal to 1 to n xi wi pi. So xi are constraints. Zero to 1. It is represent like this. Wi is weight. Pi is profit. Let's see the problem. We will prepare the set of order pair P, W. So starting from set power 0, it is considered like 0, 0. So no profit and no weight, nothing will be included in the bag. No profit, no gain. Nothing will be included in bag. Next, we take the objects are 1, 2. So S10 is 1, 2. Next, merging the S10 and S power 0. So it will be like 0, 0, and 1, 2. So let us prepare. Here add the second object is 2, 3. So the objects like 2, 3, 3, 5. When you consider the second object, all these are merging. So S2 is 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5. So add third object is 5, 4 to S2. So it will be like 5, 4, 5 plus 1, 6, 2 plus 4, 6, 6, 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 4 plus 3, 7. Next 8, 9. So here this is profit, this is weight. The weight of the bag is 9. So we have to discard this object. So take only 5, 4, 6, 6, 7, 7 and 8, 9. Next take fourth object is add to fourth object 6, 5. Merging this S3 and S2, it will become 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5. Next 5, 4, 6, 6, 7, 7. Here profit increase, weight increase. But here profit increase, weight decrease. So we have to discard this object. So the equation like this 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 6, 7, 7. Next add fourth object 6, 5. So add to this S13 equal to 6, 5. 0 plus 6, 6. 0 plus 5, 5. Next 1 plus 6, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. Next 8, 8. Next 11, 9. Next 12, 11. Next 13, 12. So merging, this is S3, merging S3 and S13. The values are 0, both are merging 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, next 5, 4, next 6, 6, next 7, 7. We are discarding these all objects. Why? Because here the weight values are more than the bag capacity. So that's why we are discarding all these objects. So take only 6, 5 and 7, 7. 7, 7 and 8, 8. So this is S4. So last result we will get 8, 8. So the object is 8, 8. This is the maximum profit. We get the actual result. So profit is 8 and weight also 8. Next we take maximum is 8, 8. The first substitution method is 8, 8 belongs to S4. We are checking the 8, 8 are there in S4 or not. So 8, 8 are there in S4. So the condition is satisfied. But we have to check the condition in S3 also. 8, 8 does not belongs in S3. So X4 value equal to 1. Next, we subtract the last object is 6, 5 in 8, 8. So the values like 8 minus 6 and 8 minus 5, it give the result is 2, 3. Now the second substitution method is check 2, 3 belongs to S3 or not. So S3. Next add 2, 3 belongs to S2 or not. So it will both are in S3 and S2. So the values is X3 equal to 0. Next third substitution is 2, 3 belongs to S2 or not. Checking, we have to check the condition. But 2, 3 does not belongs in S1. So X2 equal to 1. The fourth substitution method is we have to subtract the second object. So 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3. It give the result is 0, 0. 0, 0 belongs to set 1 or not. We check the condition. So it will be there in S0 also. So X1 equal to 0. So it is a bottom-up approach. Dynamic programming is a bottom-up approach. We take the values like 0, 1, 0 and 1. So we all adding these, the weights are the profit, previous we take the profits are 1, 2, 5, 6. 2 plus 6, the weight is 8. We get the maximum weight is 8. So we take 0/1. 0 means included. 1 is not included. This is the best solution to find out the set theory problem in dynamic programming. Thank you.